Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to continue my explanation about TOEFL test. About this session, I would like to explain concord and agreement. Hopefully, my explanation will be useful for all people. Concord agreement question pattern at TOEFL test. Concord agreement in structure and writing expression question is often found during the TOEFL test. Concord is the union between the subject and the predicate. How do we learn and answer the pattern of concord or agreement question? We learn from the following example. Example in simple form. He flies to Manado once a week. I have been to Bali. He has a nice car. You are always complaining and seeking a job. I fly to Manado once a week. There are several nouns which appear to be singular but have multiple meanings, namely cattle, public, police, people, poultry. The cattle are grazing in the field. The police enforce the law. 2. Some nouns which seem plural but have a singular meaning. For example, economic, statistics, billiard, mathematics, missiles, moms, singers. Mathematics is difficult. Missile is a contagious disease. 3. Some nouns that can be plural can be singular. For example, jury, committee, team, crowd, class. The jury consists of 10 persons. The jury are agreeing among themselves. For example, when the subject is combined with the words either or, neither or, and both and. Either you or she was here yesterday, which saw the words after all. Neither I nor he likes coffee, which is seen after the words none. Both you and your sister work well. The subject is plural because it consists of you and your sister. Use each, either, and neither. If a sentence starts with each, either, or neither, then the verb must be singular. Neither of the film is interesting. My school has 10 classrooms. Each of them is occupied by the overhead projector. 6. Use as well as. When two single subjects are connected with the word as well as, the verb used in the single subject. An apple as well as a knowledge is good for our health. A television as well as a radio is the source of information. If the two subjects are not the same in number, then what is seen adjusted in the subject that was written early, the student as well as the teacher have worked hard. A banana as well as oranges is going to be sent to you. Number 7. Length of time, distance, weight, volume are always followed by a verb for a single subject. 5 hours is not long for me to run. 200 kilometers is not far away nowadays. H. The following words are always followed by predicate or plural nouns. Tuition, binoculars, glasses, shoes, short, pajamas, player. But it can be singled out with the words a pair of pair, compare. My glasses are on the table. A pair of glasses is on the table. 9. Nouns whose singular and plural form are the same, for example, deer, sheep, salmon, mocker, aircraft, Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese. I saw many Japanese in the hotel. There are hundreds of deer in the palace garden. Okay, now we enter to the example of a question. Some TOEFL concord agreement question and discussion. Number 1. Some of the shop I wanted to see blah 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 no longer in the city. So the answer is B. The keyword is some of the shop. Discussion no longer is an adjective, so it required to be since the subject is plural, some of the shop, and the tense is present. The correct to be is are. 2. Puncture is a system of law considered to govern spatial arrangement and blah 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 the flow of energy and whose favorable or unfavorable effects are taken into account when sitting and designing building. So the answer is D. Orientation in relation to. Keyword spatial arrangement and blah 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 the flow of energy. Discussion. The sentence means in relation to. So what is needed is in relation to. 3. The police blank investigating the crime. A is, B are, C. To be. D. Was. The answer is E. Keyword the police. Just one. Discussion. The ing sharp verb always begins with to be because there is no time information. To be used is to be present. Is. Number 4. Nothing went wrong with the director whose gone. Blah blah blah. The answer is did it. Keyword nothing. Discussion. The main sentence is in the form of negative sentence, nothing, and it is in past form, so the correct question is also in the past tense and positive. If the statement negative, the question positive. If the question positive, the question negative. 5. Mars blank has two satellites. The answer is C. Keyword Mars has. Discussion. The sentence in the question requires an appositive or additional information. The sentence does not need a verb because it already has a has. Number 6. Built at the beginning of the century, the Library of Congress houses one of the largest blah blah blah. The largest degree of comprehension. The answer is B. Keyword the largest. Discussion. The word before and the C needed are the finest. Number 7. A Shilchana, one of the few plants that can move about blank a wavy gliding motion. The answer is B. A Shilchana. Discussion. The main subject of the sentence is a Shilchana, which is a singular subject. Therefore, what is needed is a verb for a singular subject, namely has. Number 8. Some monkeys blah blah use their tail in ways similar to a hand. The answer is A. Keyword some monkeys. Discussion. Filling in a sentence requires an appositive of define the present some monkeys, so the appositive provides an example of the places it describes. Number 9. True hibernation take place only among blah 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 animals. So the keyword is animals. The answer is D. Warm-blooded. Discussion. What is needed in the sentence is an adjective that describes animal. Adjective must use hyphen. So warm blooded animal. Number 10. In a hot sunny climate, man acclimatizes by eating less, drinking more quiet, wearing lighter clothing, and blah blah blah. The keyword is eating, drinking, wearing. If there is eating, drinking, wearing, and then use and, it is parallelism. So after that must be followed by ing form. So the discussion, the word and combine several words or phrases that are equivalent. So since the previous words are eating, drinking, and wearing, the words needed are also those adding in ing form. Find the error in the sentences. Number 11. Let us believe that a people could live on Mars with little life support because the atmosphere is similar to that of the Earth. Keywords people. Discussion. The word people always means plural. It does not need the article. Number 12. Kids left to their own device always flows from a given place to another place that is closer. Keyword hit. Discussion. Since it refers to an uncountable object, hit, the correct possessive adjective is it, so not that, at its own device. The tongue is the principal organ of taste and it is crucial for cueing, swallow, and speaking. Keyword cueing, speaking, discussion. Because there is a conjunction as the word needed must be equivalent to cueing and speaking, so swallowed form is not right. It must be replaced with swallowing. Number 14. A futile and skylab were the only equipment that failed to perform well in outer space. The keyword only. Discussion. The word only shows a single object, so equipments must be replaced equipment. The last number 15. Mosquitoes are such fast breeders that it is almost impossible to control them either by draining areas where they breed or to spray them with pesticide. Keyword by draining. Discussion.
conjunction or combine equivalent words or phrases because what is being compared is draining and to spray, so to spray is not right, it should be spraying.
I think enough for the session, and then we will continue for next session. I say that wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.